Yes, my name's Claude Cunningham, and I'm from Athens, Ohio. About slid in their lake. I'm from Athens, Ohio, and I'm going to try to hit that golf ball out there, 175 yards. I'm going to be shooting a 25 caliber FX Wildcat, and I'm using these JSB pellets, Match King 25. And I'm going to try to hit that golf ball. I'll try to zoom it in a little. It's on that orange thing just out from that dock. I think you can see it. Oh, I think it busted. That was a skip and a hit. That was skip and a hit. And I busted the golf ball, but it was a skip and a hit. I don't know if that counts or not. Here we go. I'll shut it off here. Daggone it. I hope it's a hit because it busted the golf ball.